this is Natalie from Linedotarrow, and I'm here with the winner's drawing for January. LDA craft today. I'm going to spin 5 times. If your name pops up, you can choose a kit from your liking and send me a message via Etsy to tell me which kit you want. Please do know that new kits are excluded, and you also have to contact me within a week. So do not come back to me after a few weeks, because I can't keep up with that anymore. Please contact me within a week. And the first winner is Karen. Karen, congratulations. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. There you go. And this is the second spin. Sorry, it took me a minute. And I'm going to draw 5 times in total. Make sure you also watch Two Sister Gems spinning, Sophie's Crafty Corner spinning, and April. April's group is joining too this month, so we have 4 groups, 20 prizes to give away. And the next winner is Cheryl. Congratulations, Cheryl. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel too. And please make sure you contact me via my Etsy store within a week. Tell me which kit you want without the new February kits, because those are excluded. You are removed. I'm going to do another spin. I have some technical issues at the moment. Everything is very slow. I have no idea why that is. I'm not in sync today. But here we go. And the winner is Marikasia. Congratulations, a Dutch lady. You are removed from the wheel. Doesn't sound nice at all. But contact me via my Etsy store, please. I'm just checking to see how many times I have to spin. 2 times, 2 more times. So here we go. And Mel, congratulations, Mel. You know what to do. I'm going to remove you from the wheel, and now I'm going to spin for the final spin. Here we go. And the last winner is Lori Skipper. Congratulations, going to remove you from the wheel. And thank you all so much for joining. And this is the end of the video. And yes, we're back to February already. And let's start a new month of fun and crafting. I hope to see you soon. Bye.